Good morning, everyone. Hope all are doing good and fine. So I'm also uh, doing good and playing with the tech and doing stuff. Yes, I mean I see latest development in AI sphere and how we see AI. So I think today also I need to talk something about that also. So that recently I see that there are a lot of people who are understand this technology and take part and take understand this. So when I understand about computers and when I understand about how computers evolve and how I see the evolution of computer and how I think about evolution and evolution of machine and understanding machines to help human beings. So I mean there are various ways in which you can understand and you can think about that. So I think intelligence is the one way where we can think about machines and we can think about human capabilities to influence and to act, right? So uh, again the essential attribute is same that we ought to think about understanding uh, our imagination of things and our imagination of things, that how we can interrupt the machines, how we can understand the machines, how we can uh, you know uh, find meaning from the machines. So yes, I mean this is a part of understanding machine learning, or maybe understanding the intelligence, that how we can interrupt that. So yes, I mean this is a short understanding of what I find out. Yes, uh, there are different way to see things. There are different kind of people who see things, and there are custom solutions also. And I mean I don't think so that in LLMs we can think that we can think anything and it is not possible. I don't think so. I mean uh, text automation, text analyzing, text summarization, text understanding is the one thing that that is there, where we can understand how we can interrupt, how we can see, and how we can think about that, right? So this is one thing. Another thing is privacy mode. I think I'm comfortable enough to speak uh, with understanding of the fact that uh, uh, tech is highly. Why I'm diverting my issue to privacy stuff, because natural understanding of LLMs are the basic understanding, where we can understand LLMs by the capability to retrieve information. I mean, so so it is naturally the way it is that we can retrieve information, we can think about information, we can interpret the information, right? So I think that the part and parcel of the understanding of LLMs are that only that when we think about information, how we can retrieve information, how we can influence information, how we can not I'm not saying influence, but retrieve information to understand information. I mean that may be the part of that. Uh, what AI can implement and what AI can see. I mean, you know, about understanding those informations and interpreting those information with the basic rules and regulations where we operate, right? So I'm not saying that understanding information or maybe interpreting information is not based on the biases, right? Uh, that tech associations are that tech legacy is same. So uh, essentially tech is for the people, by the people, and for, I mean, when I understand about democratization of tech is simply by understanding the needs of people. I think uh, I'm not saying that, when somebody says that whether you can use something, or you can take part of something, or you maybe understand something. So I mean, naturally, tech is open. Tech is about understanding. Tech is about contributions, and it is a fact, and it is a real fact that there is a hard toiling to understand things, and interrupt things, and find meaning in things. So whether it is enterprise applications, whether we talk about LLMs, or whether we talk about anything, right? So I mean, in AI sphere also, I see that a lot of people are working from decades. I think I'm pretty much agree with the things that I mean. I'm sorry for hallucination earlier. I mean, but it is the fact that the technological innovations and technological growth prospects are taking decades to build, and taking decades to understand. Because I'm not saying that you need to be expert, but you have to be expert but about everything. But there is an understanding of applications where the coding environment is implementing, right? And it is there, right? I'm not saying that you cannot have a general perspective of the things, but understanding technology is complex, with the environment of influencing, and creating, with the environment of creating things. So I'm not saying that creation of applications are easy. It is not. Second, understanding is easy. It is not. Because as people move from for the tech journey only, or maybe understanding application development, or maybe understanding the way LLMs are formed. I mean, I don't think so that it is easy.